Hi, and welcome to this tapping video. In this video, you will learn how to do the thought field therapy trauma relief technique. This technique can be very good for relief of anxiety, of stress, and particularly to help us experience greater peace of mind related to any kind of traumatic experience we may have had in our life. So right now, if you want to follow along with me and get the most out of this, focus in on some stressful event that you are currently feeling upset about that's going on in your life. You're going to want to tune into what's called the thought field, which is why this is called thought field therapy. So you want to think about this event and bring up any kind of emotional or mental distress you're experiencing. Now, don't overwhelm yourself. Honor yourself and what's going on with you, and take it one step at a time. You know what's best for you, so really honor yourself with this, okay? But allow yourself to feel the distress. And give yourself a rating on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the most distressed you could feel right now, and 0 being neutral or more calm. Good. Okay. And just notice how your body's feeling. Notice how your breathing is, if it's a little more shallow. And we'll go ahead and start tapping. You're going to begin by tapping the side of your hand, either one. Focusing on how you're feeling, any distress. Tapping under your nose. Tapping the center of your chin. And you don't have to repeat the statements I'm saying. The important thing is that you're tuned into this thought field. Tapping your middle finger point, you can tap either one. So you're tuned into the thought field and allowing whatever your experience is just to be there. Good. Okay, and then you're going to tap the beginning of your eyebrows. You've got 2 eyebrow points, and we're going to tap them both with 3 fingers. So tapping your eyebrows, letting this go, tapping under your eyes, releasing. Good, and then you're going to tap under your arm, under your armpit here. Very good. Next, you're going to tap your collarbone points, and how you find these is to go from the center of your throat down to the U-shaped nodule in your collarbone, down 1 inch and over to either side about 1 inch. So you can tap both of them. One of them is okay, but I like to tap both of them. Good. And next, you're going to tap your pinky finger. So this is up by the base of your nail on the side facing your ring finger. And then you're going to tap the collarbone points again. Staying tuned in to this thought field. Next, you're going to tap your index finger, again, up by the base of your nail on the side facing your thumb. Good. And then you're going to tap collarbone points. Good. Just loving yourself as you are, whatever your experience is right here and now when you're thinking about this event. Good. And now you're going to do what's called the 9 gamut series. You're going to be tapping the gamut spot, which is located on the back of either of your hands. And it's down in this valley, back and behind the ring finger knuckle and the pinky finger knuckle. So you're going to tap here repeatedly. And while you do that, you're going to close your eyes and open them. And then you're going to look certain directions and you're going to hum. And what it's doing is activating different areas of your brain. So let's go ahead and do that. You're going to tap this gamut spot, close your eyes, open them and look down to the left, look down to the right. Circle your eyes around in one direction. Keep tapping. Circle your eyes around in the other direction. Good. And then hum a few notes. Count out loud to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hum. Good. Okay, so then we're going to repeat what we did before the 9 gamut series. You're going to tap the side of your hand, tuning in to this stressful event, Any emotions that are coming up, tapping under your nose, releasing this, tapping the center of your chin, letting go. Tapping your middle finger, knowing it's okay to feel this way. And it's okay to let it go. Tapping the outside corners of your eyes. Very good. Loving yourself just as you are. And next you're going to tap beginning of your eyebrows again. Under your eyes. Gently yet firmly enough to stimulate this meridian point. Next under your arm. Good. You can tap both of them. Very good. Tapping the collarbone points again. Tapping your pinky finger. Staying focused on this thought field. Whatever this event is and whatever's going on in your experience, just allowing that to be there. Tapping your collarbone points. Allowing it to dissipate more and more. Releasing, letting go, tapping your index finger and tapping your collarbone points. Very good. Loving and appreciating yourself just as you are right now, whatever's going on. Good. So you can stop tapping. Notice how you're feeling now when you think about this event. Are you feeling any more relaxed, peaceful, noticing any shifts in your body? Good. Go ahead and give yourself another rating on that scale of 0 to 10 with how much distress you're feeling now when you think specifically about this event. 10 being the most distress you could feel and 0 being neutral, calm. And just notice what's shifted for you. If it's completely gone, that's great. If you still have some distress left, then you can repeat this tapping sequence. You could also do the collarbone breathing technique if you find after repeating this that you still have some more distress left related to this traumatic event. We're going to finish up with what's called the floor to ceiling eye roll. For this, you're going to be tapping the gamut spot again repeatedly on the back of either hand. Continue to tap there and look down to the floor and slowly, steadily roll your eyes up towards the ceiling. Good. You're going to repeat that on the other hand, tapping the gamut spot, looking down at the floor, and slowly and steadily raising your eyes up to the ceiling. Very good. So that's how you do the TFT trauma relief technique. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you optimal health and well-being.